Can you use debt funds to achieve your financial goals? Well, if that's the question that's bothering you, we have you covered today. So, what happens when you are aligning your financial goals with your financial portfolio? What is the strategy? The strategy obviously should be well diversified into across asset classes. You have equity, you have debt, you have real estate, gold, etc. So, what happens is when you're choosing an asset class, there is a particular time horizon that you have to be invested in that particular asset class. Like, for example, for an equity investment, you need to have a longer term horizon or an investment duration. Also, because you need to settle in with the volatility of the market, which, if you are invested in a longer term, can actually help you make out more profits, and also for the benefit of compounding. But what about debt? A lot of people are confused about having a fixed income instrument in their portfolio, which can be aligned with their financial goals. And when we talk about fixed income instruments, it's also about investing in debt mutual funds. Now, talking about debt mutual funds, there are 16 categories of debt mutual funds that you can invest into. And the time horizon is you can invest in those kind of debt mutual funds for a couple of months to several years. You have a lot of variety of debt mutual funds, ranging from an overnight fund, a liquid fund where you can invest for shorter term duration, and investment options like a target maturity fund, and a longer term duration fund where you can be invested for several years. But ideally, it is always recommended that if at all you are investing in a debt mutual fund which further invests in fixed income assets, they provide you low volatility and relatively stable return as compared to an equity mutual fund, and which is why you can have a shorter term duration as well. Say something around 1 to 3 years could be ideal to stay invested in a debt mutual fund. Also, what happens is when you are invested in an equity mutual fund, for example, when you are coming closer to to achieving your purpose, a strategy that is recommended to most of the investors is you can take out that money and invest it in a debt mutual fund. Just 2 or 3 years before you actually achieve your goal, you can park that money in a debt mutual fund to avoid all the volatility and, in fact, to provide stability to your particular corpus. So, yes, definitely you can have a debt mutual fund in your portfolio, which can be aligned to your financial goal as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.